Since ancient times, man has been associated with sheep and wool. The wool that was used to protect mankind from cold and rough weather has now taken the form of business. Australia, New Zealand, South Africa, United Kingdom and China are doing business in large numbers. But in India, the wool business is slightly neglected. India has the third largest sheep population in the world, having 65.06 million sheep, producing 48.10 million kgs of raw wool. Despite this, India has to rely on other countries for good quality of wool. We spend almost rupees 1,500 crores towards procuring raw materials from countries like Australia, New Zealand and South Africa. This is because raw wool business is well organized in these countries, as sheep farming is done in a professional manner and scientific techniques are followed to maintain the sheep. India, on one hand, has Pashmina wool from the regions like Ladakh in Jammu and Kashmir, which is well known because of its superior quality. On the other hand, it has Deccani wool produced in the Deccan Belt, which is consumed hardly to the extent of 15 to 20% of its total production. The rest of the wool remains unutilized because of its limited utility. Maharashtra, some parts of Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Karnataka, which is called Deccan Belt, produces around 14,320 tons of wool per year, having wide micron range, 30 to 150. Worldwide, there are only 8 organizations working on wool development. Out of all these, WRA is the sole body from India. Located in Thane city of Maharashtra, spread across a 13-acre sprawling green campus, WRA is an important link between the wool manufacturers and traders related to the business. At present, due to lack of awareness, shepherds increase shearing frequency of sheep from 2 to 3 times in a year, which reduces quality as well as price of sheared wool. Due to lack of acceptable grading and poor data collection, the extent to which the indigenous wool is being mixed with and/or substituted for imported wool is not known. WRA now intends to focus on overcoming the inherent weaknesses of Indian wool and utilizes strength of Indian wool such as good resiliency, better felting property, natural black color and good color fastness property. WRA focus is to have better coordination between the shepherds, handloom workers, handloom markets and merchants with active support of Maharashtra government to effectively utilize local workforce. Since Deccani wool remains unutilized, Maharashtra government for the first time has included wool as one of its focused areas in its recently announced textile policy for the year 2018 to 2023. The novel methodology of WRA is to propagate use of Indian wool in carpet making, durries, mat making through handloom by creating a common facility center for yarn innovation in its premises with active support of Government of Maharashtra and Ministry of Textiles, Government of India, thus serving handloom clusters by providing quality yarn and appropriate skill upgradation in order to reactivate various such clusters through wheel and spoke model. It has also been engaged as a technical consultant to establish Pashmina dehairing plant at Leh Ladakh, which is a prestigious project of national importance, promoted by Government of India. Wool Research Association has a well-equipped laboratory for testing of textile and eco-parameters. The Textile Testing Laboratory has state-of-the-art wool testing facility accredited by Interwool Labs and NABL. In 2017 and 18, the laboratory has expanded its testing scope from regular textile items to analysis of technical textile material such as high-visibility clothing, personal protective equipments, geotextiles, filter media, high-strength technical textiles, defense and army combat wear, etc. As a result of hard work in the past few years and due to increased services to industries, WRA has enhanced its revenue from rupees 58 lakhs in 2016-17 to rupees 121 lakhs in 2017-18. Its customer base has broadened from 90 industries to 251 industries, a growth of 180%. WRA provides services to the defense sector like testing of suits, sleeping bags for soldiers at -40 degrees centigrade in Siachen, on thermal mannequin and effectiveness of cooling jackets for police and defense personnel serving in the hot climatic areas of Rajasthan and the Deccan Plateau. As a center of excellence for sport tech, WRA's objective is to promote and develop technologies, material, product and processes for enhancing performance of Indian sports persons. WRA has successfully developed end-to-end linkages with sports manufacturers, fabric manufacturers, sports universities and sport associations, etc. In this endeavor, WRA is supported by its international knowledge partners and national knowledge partners. WRA is now setting up a lightweight composite incubation center to focus on developing sport-related carbon fiber-based lightweight items such as lightweight hockey sticks, bicycles, tennis rackets and helmets, etc. On innovation front, WRA has developed eco-friendly, natural, essential, oil-based micro-encapsulated moth-repellent finishes for wool, which will be a substitute of synthetic moth-repellent chemicals which are toxic to aquatic culture. This technology may help Indian woolen exporters to enhance export of Indian woolen products. Another innovation of WRA, which is under active field trials, is electronic smart T-shirt for sportspersons. This T-shirt measures health parameters of wearers like heart rate, sweat and skin temperature in real time. The real-time data generated is likely to help coaches or trainers. Such innovations are going to be stepping stones in future sports technologies. In India, during summers, sunstrokes or heat strokes are very common. Heat stroke directly affects health of the human being. WRA's innovative cooling jacket helps to maintain body temperature at extreme temperatures in summer. The person usually feels 3 to 4 degrees centigrade lower temperature than atmospheric temperature, which may help to reduce the mortality rate due to heat stroke. This innovative product is planned to be in the market next year for commercial sale. Worsening air pollution in metro cities has caused around 1.1 million premature deaths in 2015, which corresponds to more than 3,000 premature deaths every day. WRA's keratin nanofiber-based protective face mask is an important innovation, which gives 98 to 99% protection against very tiny particulate matters, 0.3 micron, bacteria, viruses and toxic VOC gases. The protective face mask is certified by Defence Research and Development Establishment, Ministry of Defence, Gwalior. WRA, with the help of its vast experience, is poised to create a powerful India with support from sports and wool industries. WRA is enthusiastic about its role as a center of excellence for sport tech and wool and is willing to be your trusted partner.